Hi, this is Leeladhar. Let's understand the principles of microservices. So there are many microservices principles, but I have captured couple of major principles which we need to consider while developing any microservices. So first one is single responsibility. So whenever we are going to decide any microservice, the microservice should be a small business unit. It should have a single responsibility of the business. So it should not affect the other business unit. Okay. So it should be a small, or we can say that micro level uh, business unit which can be independently performing the business operation. Okay. Second one is it should be loosely coupled architecture. So in a monolithic we have a tightly coupling, right? So in this one architecture, each and every microservice should be loosely coupled. It should be easily plugged in with the other services. Communication. Each and every microservice may require to communicate with other microservices. So there should be a proper communication mode, maybe queue or service bus we can use, or some other options are also there. So the communication should be strong and robust between the microservices. Decentralized database. So in a monolithic there is a centralized database, but as per the microservices, each microservice will have its own database. So in order to avoid any kind of dependency, so in future suppose we want to deploy a single microservice, so we are going to effect only one service. So in that case, we'll have a single database. So we are going to update the complete microservice microservice as well as the database. Second one is isolation. Each and every microservice should be independent and it should be deployable as a single business unit. So if any microservice is getting failed, it should not affect the other microservices. DevOps. So we should have a proper CI/CD process culture while developing the microservice. Next one is microservice should be uh, scale up and scale down based on the need. So let's say one microservice is used heavily during festival time, while others are not used. So at that time we can scale up a particular microservice for certain time. If it is not required, we can scale down. So that kind of consideration we need to keep in mind while developing any microservice. Next one is domain driven design. We need to follow the domain driven design. It will help for designing the microservices.